James is an analyst who works with a managed service provider or MSP. They use CA Cloud Service Management, CSM, and maintain class, category, type, item or CCTIs for different organizations. James frequently encounters scenarios where a customer requires Microsoft services, while another customer requires Linux services. If James does not use CCTI categorizations, he would spend a lot of time creating and modifying customer requests. However, James can now use the CCTI family feature of CACSM to maintain different sets of CCTIs for different organizations. He can use these family associations to limit CCTI lookup on tickets based on the requested for or requester user's organization. Let's view a quick demonstration on how you can create and use CCTI families. Log into CA Cloud Service Management. Click the Manage tab and click Tools. Select CCTI Families. You can use CCTI family associations to limit CCTI lookup on tickets based on the requested for or requester's organization. To create a CCTI family, click New CCTI Family. Specify the name and description and then click Save. You can observe the Microsoft CCTI family has been created successfully. Next, click Class Category. Select Class Category Details. Let's select Application and Office for the class category and click Relate. Similarly, relate a class category for server and database. If you relate a class to a CCTI family, then all the records under that categorization are automatically related. You have now associated a class category with the CCTI family. Next, specify the relevant organizations. Let's click Organizations. Select an organization from the drop-down menu. In this case, we will select P408 and then click Relate. Everything in P408 and all its child organizations are associated with the CCTI family. Let's now see how CCTI families work by creating a new ticket. Click the Workspaces tab and select Ticket Center. Next, click Actions and then click Create Request. Select a user that is associated with the organization that you have just linked to your new CCTI family. In this example, we will select P408, admin who is selected with the P408 organization we used earlier. Enter the description and click the search icon associated with the Search CCTI option. Observe the associated class and category of Microsoft CCTI family are displayed. Click the Clear icon to clear the ticket information of P408. Next, click the search icon associated with the Search CCTI option. You can now see all the CCTIs. Hence, you can see the benefits of using a CCTI family and view a filtered list of the required CCTIs. Let's now see how the requester and requested for tabs work when you are using CCTI families. Currently, CAITC end user is assigned to an organization that has Linux-related CCTI families associated with it. Enter the description and click the search icon. Observe the associated class and category of Linux CCTI family are displayed. Now click the Requested for tab. Enter the user that has Microsoft-related CCTI families associated with it. We now have different users in the Requester and Requested for tabs. Now, click the Requester tab again. Now, click the search icon again to see whether Windows or Linux CCTI families are displayed. Observe the CCTI families for P408 are displayed. Even though the requester value is set to a user who is associated with a Linux CCTI family. Hence, we can conclude that the value in the requested for field takes precedence over the value in the requester field. There may be scenarios where MSPs are interested in giving their analysts an option to see all CCTIs while creating a request. You can use a configuration parameter to address this scenario. Navigate to the Manage tab and click Tools. Select Configuration Parameters. Configuration Parameters allows you to view and modify the parameter values and align the ticketing and notification process to the organization needs. You need to search for the Show All CCTIs in Ticket parameter. Enter Show in the search bar and click Search. Select the appropriate parameter. Set the parameter value to Yes and then click Apply Changes. You can see that, when we are creating a new ticket, an option has been added that allows an analyst to see all the CCTIs. I am sure you now understand how you can create and use CCTI families for CSM.